The Alphabet Kitchen Adventure. Letters are like magic building blocks for words. There are 26 letters from A to Z. Each one has a special sound and its own favorite yummy food to share with us. Let's go on a tasty trip through the alphabet. A is for apple. Apples are round, crunchy, and very sweet. They can be red, green, or yellow. Taking a big bite of a juicy apple is a great way to start our day. B is for banana. Bananas wear a bright yellow jacket that you peel off. Inside, they are soft and mushy. They are the perfect snack for little monkeys like you. C is for cookie. Cookies are round treats that sometimes have chocolate chips inside. They smell amazing when they bake in the oven. Remember to enjoy them with a glass of milk. D is for donut. A donut looks like a yummy edible circle with a hole in the middle. Some have pink frosting and colorful sprinkles on top. They are so much fun to eat. E is for egg. Eggs have a hard shell that we crack open. We can scramble them or fry them for breakfast. They help our bodies grow big and strong every single day. F is for fish. Fish live in the water, but some kinds are very good to eat. They are healthy for our brains. Fish sticks are a favorite crunchy treat for many kids. G is for grapes. Grapes are tiny, round fruits that grow in bunches. You can pop them in your mouth one by one. They come in purple or green and are very sweet. H is for honey. Honey is a sticky golden syrup made by busy bees. It is very sweet and tastes wonderful on a piece of toast or stirred into warm tea. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is a cold, creamy treat. It comes in many flavors like vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry. It is the best way to cool down on a hot summer day. J is for juice. Juice is a yummy drink made from squeezed fruits. You can have orange juice, apple juice, or even grape juice. It is full of sunshine and vitamins. K is for kiwi. A kiwi is a small fruit with fuzzy brown skin. When you cut it open, it is bright green with tiny black seeds. It tastes a little bit sour and a little bit sweet. L is for lemon. Lemons are bright yellow and shaped like a football. They taste very sour and make your face scrunch up. We use them to make refreshing lemonade. M is for milk. Milk is a white drink that comes from cows. It helps make your teeth and bones very strong. Drinking a cold glass of milk helps you grow tall. N is for noodles. Noodles are long, wiggly strings of pasta. You can swirl them around your fork or slurp them up. They are fun to eat with butter or red tomato sauce. O is for orange. Oranges are round fruits that match their name. They are orange. You peel them to find juicy segments inside. They are packed with vitamin C. P is for pizza. Pizza is a big, flat circle of dough with cheese and tomato sauce. Sometimes it has pepperoni on it. It is a favorite food for parties and movie nights. Q is for quesadilla. A quesadilla is made of 2 flat tortillas with melted cheese hidden inside. It is toasted until it is warm and crunchy. It's like a cheesy sandwich. R is for rice. Rice is made of tiny white or brown grains. It is very soft and fluffy when it is cooked. Many people around the world eat rice with their dinner. S is for strawberry. Strawberries are red, heart-shaped berries with tiny seeds on the outside. They are very sweet and juicy. They look like little red jewels. T is for taco. A taco is a crunchy shell filled with meat, cheese, and lettuce. It is like a little edible boat. Be careful not to let the fillings spill out. U is for upside-down cake. This is a special cake with pineapple rings on the bottom. When it is finished baking, you flip it over so the fruit is on the top. V is for vegetables. Vegetables come in all colors, like green broccoli and orange carrots. They are superfoods that give you energy to run, jump, and play all day. W is for watermelon. Watermelon is a giant fruit that is green on the outside and pink on the inside. It is very watery and sweet, making it perfect for a picnic. X is for xylocarp. This is a big word for a fruit with a hard woody shell, like a coconut. Coconuts have yummy white meat and sweet water inside. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt is a smooth and creamy snack. It comes in many fruit flavors. You can eat it with a spoon or mix it with some crunchy cereal. Z is for zucchini. A zucchini looks like a long green cucumber. You can cook it in a pan or even bake it into muffins. It is a very healthy and tasty vegetable. We have traveled from A to Z and seen so many delicious foods. Each letter helps us name the things we eat. Now you know your alphabet and some yummy snacks too. Eating healthy helps you learn and grow.